LaptopKey.com, your source for replacement keyboard keys. Notice: many times, laptop manufacturers produce keyboards that look the same on the outside, but have different retainer clips underneath the keys. To help you find the correct repair video for your keyboard, we've created a searchable database. Simply go to LaptopKey.com, enter your laptop brand and model number. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on View Videos. A list of all compatible videos will appear. Select the retainer clip model that matches your keyboard. That's all. You're now ready to repair your laptop keyboard.
For this keyboard, we will be showing the removal and reinstallation of the backspace key for larger set keys, the plus equals for standard size, and F11 for the top row keys. You can work with a spudger, a flathead screwdriver, or a similar tool if you're choosing. To begin removal of the backspace key, insert your tool below the key at the bottom corner and apply some upward force. And then from the top corner, a similar amount of force to remove the metal arm. If your clip doesn't remove itself alongside the keycap, simply insert your tool beneath the clips and apply a small amount of upward force to separate the two. To reassemble your clips, you will want the wider end on the bottom clip facing downward, and the same for the top clip. Simply press the two together, hook from the bottom, firm press, reattach your rubber cup if necessary. To reattach the metal arm, there are 3 notches along the bottom side of the key where it pops right in. Firm press. We'll then lay the key backwards with the arms facing upward. Insert into the metal tabs at the top. Lay the key down. Firm press, and that's fixed. To remove the standard size keys, simply place your tool underneath, give it a firm press at the corners, and pull it off. If your clips didn't remove themselves alongside the keycap, simply place your tool between the 2 halves and apply pressure to the sides until they separate. To reassemble your clips, there will be a small notch at the top of the bottom clip, which you want on the lower side. And on the top clip, there's a small point on the opposite end of the rounded edge towards the bottom. Simply clip the 2 together. Hook from the top down to the bottom. Give it a firm press. Place the keycap, and we are functional. To remove a top row key, simply insert your tool below the key, apply firm pressure at the corners, and remove. If your clips didn't remove themselves with the keycap, simply insert your tool between the 2 halves and apply pressure to the sides until they separate. To reassemble your clips, you will want the rounded edge with a notch facing upward on the bottom clip, and there's a small notch towards the top of the upper clip with the full rounded edge at the bottom. Simply place the 2 together with a click, and then latch from the top on the metal tabs with a firm press. Insert your rubber keycap in the center if necessary. Place the key on top with a firm press, and we are functional.